In the endless darkness of the universe, a small blue planet spins in silence. It gave birth to oceans, skies, and life, and to us. But the question remains, is Earth truly unique? Our Milky Way alone contains over 100 billion stars, and in the observable universe, there are at least 2 trillion galaxies, which means there may be billions of planets located in what we call the habitable zone. But an Earth-like planet is not defined by size alone. It needs liquid water, a stable star, a protective atmosphere, a magnetic field, and enough time. Earth is not an accident. It is the result of many miracles aligned. Scientists have discovered thousands of exoplanets. Some are labeled Earth-like, such as Kepler 452b, often called Earth's cousin, or TRAPPIST-1e, a world that may host liquid water. But so far, none can truly replace Earth. If the universe is so vast, why have we heard nothing? This is known as the Fermi paradox. Perhaps intelligent life is rare. Perhaps civilizations destroy themselves, or perhaps we are among the first. Perhaps the real question is not, is there another Earth, but could we ever reach it? And if we can't, will we protect this one? Earth may not be unique, but it is our only home. On a cosmic scale, Earth is only a tiny blue dot. Yet on this dot, thought, civilization, and dreams were born. Perhaps the search for a second Earth exists to remind us how precious the first one truly is. When we look up at the night sky, we do not see answers. We see silence. Starlight travels millions, even billions of years to reach our eyes. Ancient messages from the past, yet none tell us whether we are alone. Earth's position is precise, not too close, where water would boil, not too far, where oceans would freeze. Our sun has burned steadily for 4.5 billion years, neither exploding too early nor fading too fast. This is not luck. It is an extraordinary balance. Scientists call this region the habitable zone. Here, liquid water might exist, but might does not mean will. Many planets are tidally locked, stripped of atmosphere by stellar winds, or destroyed by chaotic orbits. The habitable zone is only a ticket to enter, not a guarantee of life. Many Earth-like planets are actually larger than Earth. They are known as super-Earths. Stronger gravity may crush mountains and create suffocating atmospheres. Some worlds become runaway greenhouses, extreme versions of Venus. They appear similar, but are hostile to life. Earth possesses a crucial defense, a magnetic field. It shields us from cosmic radiation, preserves the atmosphere, and protects the oceans. Mars once had water, but after losing its magnetic field, it became a silent, lifeless world. A second Earth must first know how to defend itself. Earth took 4 billion years to produce intelligent life. Most planets may not survive that long. Asteroid impacts, stellar eruptions, orbital instability. The universe is unforgiving. Life requires more than conditions. It requires endurance. Perhaps we search for a second Earth not to escape, but to understand whether life has meaning in the cosmos. If Earth is truly unique, then our responsibility is far greater than we imagined. One day we may discover another blue world, but until then, Earth remains the only known planet to carry life, memory, and future. Is there a second Earth? The answer still lies among the stars. For now, we have only one choice: to protect this one. We were born in a quiet corner of the universe, not at the center, not in a remarkable place. Yet in this corner, matter learned to think. For the first time, the universe became aware of itself. What we call the universe is only the region light has had time to reach. Beyond it may exist countless galaxies, countless planets, perhaps countless Earths, but they will never be seen. They exist, forever beyond our reach. If gravity were slightly stronger, the universe would collapse too soon. If slightly weaker, galaxies would never form. The constants of nature are tuned with unsettling precision. This is known as the fine-tuning problem. Perhaps the universe favors life, or perhaps we are simply the survivors. Among billions of planets, most worlds almost succeeded. Almost water, almost atmosphere, almost enough time. But in the universe, almost means failure. Even if a second Earth exists, civilization may be only a brief flash. Technology may advance faster than wisdom. Civilizations might destroy themselves before learning to travel the stars. The universe may be silent not because it is empty, but because everything ends too soon. The universe is only 13.8 billion years old. Stars are still forming. Planets are still being born. Perhaps the age of life has not yet truly begun. Humanity may be among the first to awaken. When we search for a second Earth, we are really asking, are we worth repeating? If life is common, we are not special. If life is rare, we carry immense responsibility. Both answers are equally heavy. Perhaps somewhere in the distant cosmos, another Earth is forming, but right now the only confirmed miracle is beneath our feet. Is there a second Earth? Maybe. Maybe not. But the first Earth is waiting for our decision. Perhaps the question is not whether a second Earth exists, but when it will appear. Life may not be the beginning of the universe, but its destination. Our sun is only a medium-lived star, but the most common stars in the universe are red dwarfs. They can burn for trillions of years. Perhaps the true age of life has not yet arrived. Earth has experienced at least 5 mass extinctions. Life restarted again and again, but civilization has never had a second chance. If a second Earth exists, will humanity survive long enough to find it? If nature cannot recreate Earth, will humanity attempt to? Terraforming Mars, building space habitats, creating artificial ecosystems. But the question remains, are we searching for Earth or running away from it? If we discover a planet that already hosts life, should we land? Are we explorers or invaders? Earth's history has shown technological advancement does not equal moral maturity. Perhaps Earth is not the destination, but a test to see whether a civilization, once given power, can still choose restraint. Only those who pass this test may deserve a second world. Is there a second Earth? Science continues to search, but another question already has an answer. If we lose the first, we lose everything. The second Earth may exist among the stars. The first Earth exists within our choices. The universe is not only made of space, it is made of time. And time moves forward relentlessly, never stopping. Perhaps the real question is not whether a second Earth exists, but whether life has enough time to exist at all. The universe is expanding faster and faster. Galaxies drift apart until one day the night sky grows dark. Future civilizations may never see another galaxy. They may believe they are alone. A second Earth may exist, but never be found. In the 13.8 billion year history of the universe, humanity exists for less than a blink of an eye. If the universe's life were one day long, humans would appear in the final second. A second Earth may have missed that second, or perhaps it is still waiting. We keep searching for a planet just like Earth, but perhaps life does not need to copy Earth. Maybe in methane seas, beneath frozen oceans, within chemistries we cannot imagine, life already exists. The second Earth may look nothing like Earth at all. Perhaps we will never know whether a second Earth exists. The distances are too vast, the timescales too long, civilizations too fragile. But that does not mean the question is meaningless. Some questions exist not to be answered, but to change the one who asks them. Perhaps the second Earth is not another planet, but a civilization that learns to coexist, a world that does not destroy itself, a future worthy of continuation. If we fail, the second Earth will never exist. Is there a second Earth? Maybe, maybe not. But right now on this blue planet, life is reflecting on its own fate, and that alone may be one of the rarest phenomena in the universe. We keep asking, is there a second Earth in the universe? But perhaps the real question is, what if there is more than one answer? Perhaps the universe itself is not unique. Modern physics suggests a radical idea, the multiverse, countless universes, each with different laws of physics. In some, stars never form. In others, life never appears. and in some, Earth may have formed more than once. If the number of universes is infinite, then even the rarest events must occur, including a planet almost identical to Earth, or even a civilization exactly like ours. The second Earth may not be rare. It may simply be beyond imagination. Another unsettling idea is the simulation hypothesis. If the universe is a simulation, then Earth may be nothing more than a set of parameters. If it can be simulated once, it can be simulated endlessly. The second Earth may simply be another save file. Even if a second Earth exists in another universe or another simulation, we may never reach it. The structure of reality may not be designed for escape. The second Earth may exist, but not for us. Whether the multiverse is real or simulations exist, one thing is certain. This is the only world we can affect. This Earth is the only verifiable miracle, the only home that can be saved. A second Earth cannot replace the first. We ask the universe, is there a second Earth? The universe does not answer because the answer is meant for us. If Earth were replaceable, would we cherish it? If it is not, would we change?